Happy New Year, buddies! Welcome year 2025. God bless us all. We are here in provincial capital, Bukidnon province. We are praying for good health, more blessings to come, and love, peace, and joy to every family. And we are praying for all treasure hunters na magkaroon ng mga successful retrieval operation. This is Chris Sniper saying eat, sleep, and explore. And Bansai buddies! God bless us all.